I'm here at CES at the Lenovo booth where we're taking a look at the Lenovo Smart Clock with Google Assistant. Now this little guy is exactly what it sounds like. It's a smart clock that you put next to your bed. If you take a closer look at it, you'll see that it has a 4-inch screen and it has kind of a tapered back. And this is a nylon fabric. On the back, there's some interesting things happening here. First off, there's the mic on-off button. But something we haven't seen before is there's a USB port right here, so you can plug your phone in. You take one outlet away and then you get one back for phone charging. Along the top here, you'll see volume up, down button, and then you just see it's kind of just a cute little device right here. Unlike the Amazon Echo Spot, this device does not have a camera. So if you're concerned about privacy and the fact that this thing's probably going to be next to your bed, you don't have to worry about that. This device features the full functionality of a Google Assistant speaker. So if I were to say, "Hey Google, good night," you'll see that it dimmed the lights for me based on the routine that was set forth. If I were to say, "Hey Google, set an alarm for 30 seconds," so what just happened is it's called gentle wake up mode, and 30 minutes before the device goes off, your alarm goes off, it actually brightens slowly and your lights will brighten with it. Now if I were to tap it once, I would snooze it, but if I were to tap it twice, oops, my morning routine automatically starts. You'll see that there are some cards built in, your alarms, the temperature, the weather, how long your commute time is, and what you might have on your calendar for the day. Right now, there are just a few clock faces. Google Assistant executives did say that down the road there might be some differences, but for now, we just have the few to choose from. Overall, this little device is a great addition to any nightstand. It'll be available in the spring for $80.